Hey guys, hey, I just want to go over this old steam engine I got. I inherited this from one of my relatives that passed away, and he inherited it from a relative that passed away, and it was never ever ran when he had it. When I was a child, I never saw it run. It's always put in a corner. Always was those one day projects. You know how that goes, and basically went to the wayside. So I took the liberty of getting it running, and as you see, it's got some great compression. Had a few here and there problems. I had to remake the slide valve connecting rod that was bent. Um, these this whole fixture here wasn't here. It didn't have the rods. It didn't have any of the nuts to set it in place. Didn't have spacers, evenly spaced the slide. The only thing they had was these nice handmade ornate rails that it would sit on. I didn't have this platform either. I made this platform. It's made out of walnut with a brass top. I'll give you a closer look onto it. And I put these brass pillars on here. It was actually my first lathe project. I painted up the flywheel. This flywheel is just bare metal. I made the brass keyway. Then I made the brass shaft that fits into it, because it actually didn't fit into nothing. This shaft here, I mean, you can see it is not the size of that hole. So I made that up. Then I made all these small little hex plugs. They go right on top. I had to tap these greasers because they weren't even tapped. The pillow blocks were made, but they weren't even tapped. And over here, this plate was already cut out, but it only had 2 holes done. So I had to make the rest of them and drill and tap the block itself. Other than that, it came out pretty good. Alright guys, if you like this content, please give a thumbs up, thumbs down, make a comment, share it with your buddies, subscribe. Alright, I'm out.